Hi there. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use an input action to put some data into the input fields and other kind of elements like login forms, sign up forms, whatever, submit forms. So I'm in the scenario where I'm on the e-commerce website, and here we have some products listed, all kind of products, jackets, slipperies, bags, and so on. So I'm gonna search for sneakers and try to scrape that data over here. So basically the first action will be to actually create a new input action, and let's delete it and showcase from scratch. So now I'm in the activated the input action, and now I'm in the selection mode, and I'm gonna select this search box over here. As you can see, by clicking I'm gonna mark it and I'm gonna save that as a selection. Hovering over it here, I can see that this is the element where I want to input some data. If we go to these three dots which shows some option for that input action, I have his input data field where I need to provide some data which will be inputted in this search box. So let's say a sneakers. So what will happen here, Automatio will go to the page and input this data into this field over here. And now if I click this execute button, the Automatio will fill this field with the data. Let's see. As you can see, it filled it, but it didn't search. Why? Because we didn't click provide a search action, right? So if you click on this button here, it doesn't work. So it means that we need to search with enter. If I type enter over here, it's gonna go, as you can see, and search the page. So now, since I need to proceed with enter, let's go back to home page to continue and show you something. Now since I need to proceed here with enter page, we'll need to use this option over here under the input action which says enter key, which means that the bot will proceed with the enter key. So if I select it and now execute this action, it will input this data and press the enter key to proceed with the search. So let's do it. As you can see, it's inputted, press the enter, and as you can see, we are on the search result page, and now we have here only 4 products, which is all the sneakers, as you can see. So that's it. Now what I can do is I can create another action, which is extract action, to extract this data, in this case the product name. So let's say product name, and we can extract the prices, and that's all. So if I create the instance and run, the bot will go to the home page, do the search into the search bar by the sneakers, press the enter, come to this page and extract data. Let's do it. Create and run. The data is sent to the dashboard. We have it over here running, and let's see, let's wait. In the logs we can see what's happening. It says that it's navigating to URL, is typing in input, scraping data and closing a browser. It's finished. Great. This is successfully scraped data. So once again, as you can see, we created very simple action flow over here which says go to the home page, which we can go right now by clicking the execute button, and type a data into this search field, the data we provided, the sneakers, and proceed with enter key. And when we proceed, click on the proceed button, it's gonna do that for us. And now we created just two extract action which will extract those data. So simple as that, we have a data and we search it on the website. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. All the best and see you soon. Bye.